In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a workspace on Notion. If you've joined a workspace for a project, a class, or a team, and it's no longer relevant, leaving helps keep your Notion clean and focused. Before we start, know that leaving a workspace doesn't delete the workspace or its content. It simply removes your access. Other members will still see everything as usual, and you can always rejoin later if you're invited back. To begin, look toward the top left of your Notion window and click the workspace name. This label shows which workspace you're currently in, and it's usually next to the sidebar. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double-check that the name matches the one you want to leave so you don't remove yourself from the wrong place. The workspace switcher gives you quick context about where you are, which is especially helpful if you juggle personal and team spaces. From that menu, select Settings. Depending on your version of Notion, it may appear as Settings and Members, but the option works the same. This area controls your account details, notifications, members, and all workspace-level preferences. It's where you manage anything related to your relationship with the workspace itself. Inside the settings, go to the General tab. General is where Notion keeps overarching workspace options and status information. If you're scanning the sidebar and don't immediately see it, look for the tab labeled General among the main sections. This is the hub for actions that affect your membership at a high level. Now, click Leave Workspace. This option is typically near the bottom of the General section, sometimes highlighted to indicate it's a more serious action. Notion may show a brief note or prompt so you understand what leaving means, primarily that you'll lose access to pages, databases, and permissions in that workspace. If you're the only admin, Notion may prevent you from leaving until you transfer ownership. That safeguard protects everyone's access and content. Otherwise, once you proceed, you're out of the workspace. And there you go. After leaving, Notion will return you to another workspace you're part of, or show you a starting screen if you don't have any others. Your personal notes and unrelated workspaces remain untouched. If you ever need to rejoin, ask a current member to invite you. As a tip, make sure you've captured any information you personally need before you begin, since you won't be able to open those pages afterward. The steps are similar on mobile, though labels may vary slightly. That's all you need to leave a workspace on Notion clearly and confidently.